What is up, you lovely, beautiful people? How you guys doing today? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for tuning in. We're in another city. Madness, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. So we're here in Nottingham, Nottinghamshire. I was going to go check out Sherwood Forest, but it is about a 45-minute drive and I just don't have time to go and get a hire car, unfortunately. So I've come down to the River Trent and I'm literally just going to follow it as far as I can, really. Got a full battery on the Inmotion one wheel here. Whoop. And we'll see where we can go. We see where it gets me. I think there is a little bit down, I think it's like 5 miles this way, there is a whitewater rafting whitewater rafting, man-made, for competitions. So that looks really cool. And I've also brought the drone along, see if we can get some of those follow me shots again. Last time I used it in Birmingham, that's the first, I used it briefly when I was at home in Australia, but that was on my mountain bike. But here, you know, I've got both hands. Another epic benefit of riding these incredible wheels, I've got both hands, coffee in one hand and this one just to wave at people. Hello. All right, let's go and see what we can find on this glorious summer's day. I'm gonna go up here, whoop, away from this dog here. Glorious day here in the UK, unbelievable. I'm telling you, best summer since the 1970s apparently. It's good to experience it. These guys on the boat. Woohoo, duckies! We've just come to a little bit of a dead end on the bike trail here. So it looks like obviously the river goes around this way, but I think we need to go into away from the river, around a little bit until we can get back on it. So let's go up here. We're parking up their little river boats, and this is pretty cool. Look at this. This is one thing I get asked a lot about these Inmotion wheels, is how well does it perform going uphill? And it says on their website, oh, I got dogs chasing me. He chased me up the hill. It says 25 degrees is your max, and that, if you don't know about hills, that 25 degree hill is quite substantial, and it just does an epic job at going up and down hills. It's amazing. The braking system on this thing's incredible as well. We'll leave that for another review. In the meantime, let's continue and mosey on here. We're capturing a bit of this stuff. I'm not sure what you call it, but basically they put a little dam up there and it lowers the boat, and they keep these gates closed at either end to then allow it to come down onto the other side. Very cool, very cool. All right, keep on moving. All right, I think we're getting glimpses of the trail now, so hopefully we can get back onto the river. I see the river over there. I've been on wood chips before, but you know, this thing goes on anything. Ooh, we've got some fun trails by the look of it. Very cool, very cool. Let's see where this takes us. I kind of want to go down this way. Amazing. This is pretty cool. I have no idea where I've come, but look at it. Little mini off-road trail. It's come at a good time because I'm not sure if I'd have come here a couple of weeks ago. Oh my goodness, that's close to the water. I don't think I would have been able to ride this trail. This is wicked. Absolutely wicked. I'm just going to keep on following this thing. Unbelievable. Whoo! Certainly testing the wheel's capabilities. I've not really taken it off-road much. I've taken it on a few little tiny trails off of some of the canal tracks, but nothing like this. Woo! Epic. Oh, big jump. Not really a big jump, but big enough. Tell you what, my feet have gone numb again. It's the thing when you're constantly putting your weight through the pedals. It goes a little bit numb. Look at that. Now that is a glorious view. Amazing. I didn't realise this part would be so dense. So dense, and then apparently there's another lake in the woods that way as well. Guys, this is brilliant. Absolutely awesome. I heard there was like a hall here. Yes. Yes, there is. And it looks like there's a wedding going on. Well, it's a beautiful day for an event like this, that's for sure. It's a lovely building. So I'm just looking for a spot to send up the drone, see if we can just get a quick aerial shot or some footage of that awesome lake. Also, be mindful of the wheel because I really don't want another puncture. Please. Oh, don't want a puncture. Alright, this place looks pretty good to send it over that way. Okay, drone is set up. Off she goes. Oh, it looks amazing already. Well, that turned out to be amazing. It's the thing when you get your drone or you're doing any sort of photography, and drone photography or drone footage, you always want to get that point of interest and focus on point of interest, and then whether you frame it with the natural environment on that, putting things in front of the lenses. That's the way I try and do my photography. And when I sent it up just then, I was literally just going to get a landscape shot of all the lily pods. I think that's what they are on the little pond there, with the sun behind it. and then all the trees and all that stuff as a nice backdrop. But turned out there's a lovely little a white swan there with her little babies swimming about. I didn't get as close as that drone may have shown, because it's got a bit of a fisheye in it. Not fisheye, it's not fisheye anymore on the Mavic Air. It does sort of, it looks closer than it was. I did try and keep my distance. I don't want to scare the lovely beautiful swans. But that overhead down shot, I've not looked at it yet, but I'm sure I've edited it and posted on this video already. So let's do a little spinny left here. But that was great. Super happy with that. Super happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a drone montagey segment. So we're off into the woods again. Not sure where we're going, but let's see where we can go. So, after a little bit of wading through the little forest there, right there is the whitewater rafting park. And I just need to see if I can get across that bridge over there, or Ninja Warrior wipeout style run across all that. I'm going to try and get across the bridge first. Okay, so unfortunately I can't get across. That is obviously a working dam, so there's no way I'm getting across there, and I just checked Google Maps, there's nothing up that way to get across. Oh well, moving on. Alright, you lovely, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today for quite the awesome adventure. Didn't get to go to that little park, but you know what? It's alright. We got to come across some beautiful swans in the lake. Got some water to my right here. And just cruise around, do some more off-roady stuff. On the Inmotion V8. Alright, take it easy. I'll see you in the next one. I'll be bringing out a POV vlog of Nottingham in a few days. Until then, take it easy, live, laugh and love. Peace.